I found a pile of rocks in the inspection chamber outside my bathroom. The neighbour we share the chamber with says they haven't had any work done. A USB webcam and bike torch taped to a drain rod confirms the drain has failed at a joint just outside my bathroom wall. It's a 1930s house with plenty of concrete patches, so I removed the one over the toilet drain. There's subsidence obvious in the dropped brickwork, which was like that when we bought the house 9 years ago. It looks like installational movement has broken the collar on the inspection chamber pipe top and bottom. From the ideal cardboard kneeler, I wasted precious minutes using old-school stone cutting discs on my grinder before remembering I had a pack of Lidl diamond cutting discs. There's not much of the pipe left before it disappears under the house. The plan is to insert a length of plastic pipe with couplings. This has been going on for a while, so what's below the break is suspiciously wet and soft. On closer inspection, I see what that is. There's plenty of it. Here comes Muttley. Vaseline and bonking with a cold chisel seats the couplings.
That'll do.
I'll be in here again when I get round to renovating the bathroom, so I'm backfilling with ballast I had handy. I'm only putting a thin screen over the top that I can break out easily later, so I want the fill well packed down. Make sure it falls away from the house and towards the downslope of the path. Done.